Good morning, my dear students. Today, let us start first chapter in your course book. First chapter in your course book, The Gentleman of the Jungle, written by Jomo Kenyatta. Jomo Kenyatta. So, one thing, whenever you read lessons in English, first you have to focus on title. We have to understand first a name of the title, and then what will be the theme of that chapter. So that is what that story, is it relevant to that title or not? When we just guess it and imagine that this may be the what story, then when we read after, we comes to know that how far it is relevant to this theme, means story of that chapter, to that what given title. So, The Gentleman of the Jungle. As a students, you must be aware. See, writer aim is to give information, and how far the readers is going to understand, that is very important. So, here, as you all be knowing that Panchatantra stories, Jataka tales, there in Panchatantra Jataka stories, tales, you come across what? Animals as a characters. So, animals as a character, and they will call it as a fable. So, see here, fable is a story which teaches a moral lesson. Fable is a story which teaches a moral lesson, sometimes have animals as the main characters. Animals as the main characters. See, why I want to tell this? In this chapter, you will come across so many animals. So, animals as the main characters. You have to understand better what means characters, means here animals as the main characters. So, when we come across the animals, it refers to whom in this chapter, that we have to find out. That is essential. Then only you can understand this chapter. And beyond these animals, they are the character presented in this story. Writer Jomo Kenyatta, writer, presented in the form of character. Beyond of these animals' character, what it is hidden, that we have to understand. Then only clear theme of this chapter you comes to know. Otherwise, it is very difficult to understand. So, that is what here. Fable is nothing but here a story which teaches a moral lesson. sometimes have animals as the main characters. That is the what here you to understand how the animals will become main characters in this what first chapter, that you have to understand. Next, the gentleman of the jungle. See, gentleman, jungle. So it is totally related to European countries versus Africa, African countries, Africa. That you have to keep in your mind. Character will come as animals, as a man, person. That we have to find out. So that is very important. So the gentleman of the jungle. Before to tell, here background, it is a background to understand a story of that what? Chapter. Before to read this one, background of this chapter, let us, I will tell you. You know that we got independence in 1947, August 15th. Before we were under what? British, ruled by British people. We were under British people. So not only British, European countries ruled in India. May you take Goa, you take Konark, Pondicherry, not Konark, Pondicherry, Goa, and also what here? Kolkata, Madras. So different type of here, different countries ruled India. So beginning 300 years they ruled. Maybe what British people, Dutch, Portuguese, so many European countries, they ruled India. But beginning, how they entered into our country, that we have to understand. As a what? Business purpose, for trade and business, they entered into our country, started East India Company, small what industry company, slowly expanded what that company and started manufacturing different type of what commodities which is required for not only England, India. Then they started expansion all over India, and when they got grip on our country, they started ruling nearly what 300 years they ruled. Why I want to tell before this, same thing it has happened, jungle, the gentleman of the jungle. So that is what here, and animals were the what here as the main characters. Let us say here. So Jomo Kenyatta was an African political leader. Basically, this what Kenyatta, he was a what political leader. First president of Kenya, what 1964 to 78. See 1964, I think till that maybe the particular country in that African continent, particular country Kenya, till this 1964 it was under European country. That we have to understand. Ruled by Europeans, and he becomes president, first president of Kenya, He was one of the earliest and best known African nationalist leader. So, like our Mahatma Gandhi, there he has become what first best known what nationalist leader. He fought to get what independence, and also he was very much interested to get the freedom from the hands of European countries. That is the what here meaning. And then as a secretary of his tribal association. So we know that Africa, Kenya, what majority of the people, no, complete country we can say, what basically they are tribal people. So as a secretary of his tribal association, what 1928, he campaigned for land reform and African political rights. So he fought for towards to get what rights, political rights, and also land reforms. Essential for each and everyone, this land is essential to cultivate for that purpose. And also at the same time, maybe the European countries, they were ruling that Kenya, and at the same time he was very much interested to have rights, political rights. In the late 19th century, the chief, see background, before to understand this what chapter, here they have given background. Then if you read that chapter, easily you can understand. In the late 19th century, the chief European powers divided Africa among themselves. So they started what? Dividing among themselves. Late 19th century means in 19th century, the chief European powers means all the powerful European countries divided Africa among themselves. Whatever the African countries were there in the African continent, they divided themselves to rule for the benefit of European countries, not for this what tribal people. They could do this because European arms were superior, because European, they are powerful, arms were superior, because of what weapons they are powerful. And Africa, because the African chiefs, superiors, chiefs, did not understand the meaning of the treaties they were asked to sign. So, please try to understand this, what European countries, they are superior in what? Weapons. And on the other side, African chiefs, head of that particular tribal country, area, particular region, they did not, what here? Did not understand the meaning of the treaties, agreement, treaties. They have not understood for what purpose they have come and what they are doing to do in their country, they have not understood what the meaning of the treaties. They were asked to sign. More powerful, pen and paper is more powerful than this weapon, whatever the weapons we have. So, on the other side, African countries were not at all understood a meaning of treaty, and they, before what signing, they have not understood, but they signed, asked to sign. As a result, Africans lost the lands they had traditionally lived on and cultivated. See, that agreement made them to lost what here? Cultivated land. They lost cultivated land. They had traditionally lived. It is what? Quite natural. They are the what? Origin of this land. African country, people, wow. Whoever they may be what? Educated or not educated. On those days, still they are not educated. They are tribals, and it was quite natural by birth. They have what? Right to have land and what? To cultivate. That is what here. As a result, because of agreement, treaty signed, as a result, Africans lost the lands they had traditionally lived on and cultivated. Traditionally, they have what? Their land they used to cultivate it. Because of treaty, because of agreement, they signed, and whatever the land they had by birth, traditionally from their ancestor, because of agreement, because of their what? Sign between country, African countries and European countries, because of agreement, treaties, what the natural, traditionally by birth they have land, they have lost. Went in the hands of European countries. So, lived on and cultivated. Their attitude toward European expansion is made clear in the following fable. In this story, we come across how the European countries they expanded their boundaries. They expanded. See here, European expansion is made clear. In this story, we come across that how those people treaty, with the help of treaty, they cheated, and these people which they have traditionally belongs to them without any restrictions by birth, traditionally what they have their land, because of this agreement they lost. So, that is what. And one thing they never understood, after so many years they comes to know the meaning of expansion, is made clear in the following story. In this chapter, The Gentleman of the Jungle, in this chapter we comes to know by that story how these people started ruling on African countries, most of the African countries, but in this chapter a particular country they have taken, Kenya. So, that is what here, particular country, which reflects the attitude of the Kikuyu, means name of a tribal. Remember, Kikuyu people. Attitude of the Kikuyu people, nothing but tribals of Kenya towards European. So, here Kenya towards European laws and commissions. Laws and commissions. So, what clearly we can get the idea here, European laws and commissions. When they entered into lands of African countries, particularly in this Kenya, they were not at all aware of European laws and commissions. In that agreement, treaty, what they had in that written form, these people, tribal, Kikuyu people, tribal people, they not understood European laws and commissions. That what international treaty, ಒಪ್ಪಂದ. ಆ ಒಪ್ಪಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗದವರು, ಕಿಕುಹು ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗದವರು, ಕೀನ್ಯಾದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗದವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಒಪ್ಪಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೇ ಅನ್ನೋದು they have not understood. So that is what here. Once they sign this agreement, then they have to obey. So like that, how systematically they came to Africa, Kenya, and started ruling on that countries, that we can understand. But whenever here we comes character as animals, we have to think it that they are the what? European people, countries. So that is what here. So fable is a story which teaches a moral lesson, sometimes have animals as the main characters. That is what here. In the form of animals, different type of European countries play a role as a role ruler of that Kenya. So that is what here. And let us see here how the story starts. And one thing, this is just what background to understand story which they have given in your book, course book. Try to read. Suddenly, maybe what hardly 3-4 pages it is. Try to read that and understand. You have to read textbook. Simply just whatever I explain, it will be not enough to understand better. You read that paragraph after paragraph, and you comes to know how the animals are one side and another one character comes what? Man, person, man, and beginning how they will become, they will make friendship, and after the friendship how they start to treat that man. Here that man is none other than this what? A person belongs to Kenya. Animals, they are none other than this what? European countries. Writers will be so sharp that they don't want to identify a particular name of the country. So they what? Tells in the form of what here? Fable, story with the help of animals. Other side, a person, a man. He belongs to, traditionally he belongs to what? That country, Kenya. Other side, a different animal character we can see in this story. And we have to understand, as a readers, we have to understand what actually writer want to inform readers. If we understand, then easily we can what? Write it. Whatever the questions they ask on this chapter, we can write it. So that is what here. So background is what here? It is so clear between European countries and a man, means that person belongs to Kenya, a country in Africa, means African continent, and title itself, Gentleman of the Jungle. Easily we can guess it, that African countries, they are famous for jungle. And gentleman, people naturally, traditionally were living with lot of freedoms, no restrictions, they were cultivating. And suddenly how the people who have come from the west and will become gentlemen in front of what? People, tribals. So that we want to see. The main purpose, intention is to expand and business. To develop to increase their income, to develop their what? Spread their power. For that purpose, here writer want to tell how this story tells. And also that story is not just a story, it is a what happened in the life of tribal people. So it is not an imaginary, it has happened, how the tribal people fought to get their land, to get their rights. So that we want to keep in front of us in the form of what here? Chapter. And the title of this chapter, The Gentleman of the Jungle. Okay, today is enough that try to understand this background, and in the next class I will tell outline story of that this chapter, and you have to read textbook, then only easily you will understand. Thank you.